Welcome to the install video of your 2K IR fixed position camera. Upon opening the package, what you'll find are zip ties for cable management, your steel ratchet bands for attaching your equipment to your pole. We also provide an Allen wrench. This will be your camera installation mounted on the plate, your backup battery. What you'll see here is the solar panel pre-attached to the arm. What arrives, of course, will be an individual kit. We highly recommend that you place this on a flat surface and pre-assemble this unit. Next, you'll find your power cables and connectors. And then here is the actual control box with wires coming out of the bottom. There are some recommended tools: a power drill with a 9/16 bit, a ratchet set, and of course your 10 snips. But you know what? It's so easy. I'm going to let my marketing team take it from here. So do you know what you're doing?
No, I have no idea.
Great. Let's go through that.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and pre-install the steel bands on our mounting plate.
Okay. So, this way? Nope. This way.
There we go. All right.
Okay.
Nicely done. All right, so when we're installing this, what you'll have inside the kit are these U channels, and they're like clamps.
Okay.
So what they'll have are 2 bolts that you're going to attach and secure both the top and bottom. And then this is our actual pole mounting bracket.
Okay.
You'll have 4 bolts, 2 on each side. You can leave these loose until you get them into the proper position based on your geographical locations. Those degrees are relayed to you in the install manual. Once you have it there, you go ahead and tighten down both sides, and now you're ready to install with your steel ratchet bands prepped and ready to go.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. There you go. Take it all the way in. Take as much slack out as possible. Go ahead and pull it through the mounting bracket. Just pull from this side to pull the slack out. Yep, just wheel it through. There you go. Cinch it down a little more.
Can I put it through here?
No, we're going to leave that. That's
okay.
why we have our 10
Cutters
snips today.
Keep pulling?
Keep pulling it through. And you're going to try and make sure that that bracket sits as close to this pole as possible. Okay? Go ahead and lock your screw down to push it towards the band.
And turn it to...
No, go ahead and just lay it down.
What does that mean?
Just make sure that the screw lays over like this one is.
Ah, like that?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
There you go. You've locked it in place. Go ahead and run your drill on it. There you go. Now we'll set the second band. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hand you your 10 snips. Let's get those excess bands. So anywhere inside the plate here is a great idea.
Okay.
So anywhere inside here, you're just going to set them on and use the
Snip
levers.
it like
to get
scissors?
them, just snip it right off, just like scissors.
That might not be strong enough.
You're going to want to pull that band out of the way. There you go.
Yep.
That's the bottom. Now do the top one. Pull the band out of the way. We'll get it around the pole.
Okay.
Yep, we're going to tilt it up. Go ahead and get that finger start. Looks like you're good to go.
Okay. We're gonna go.
You got it.
Okay.
Let's grab that top band as well. Be careful, don't snap
Perch them all.
There you go. Well done.
Yay.
Repeat the same steps. Snip it
Okay.
off, clean it up.
See if I can do it better this time.
All right.
Woo! I'm probably gonna cut that part out.
There you go. Typically the outside in, which is going to be this one.
Okay.
Hand me this. And now as you go up, you're going to want to look for the notch inside the yellow insert. Make sure you have the notch aligned inside the cable itself.
Okay, it's locked.
Perfect.
So this notch is gonna need to go here.
Now all we have left to do is to connect your cables from the solar panels to the box itself for power. I'll
Okay.
hold this if you want to attach those there. Male to female, female to male.
Okay.
Nope, that's female, female. Yep. We do it this way so there's only one way to connect it and it's always correct. Now you can take your cables with your cable management zip ties and attach them anywhere you'd like to make sure that these cables are secure, not blowing around in the wind, and ready to rock and roll. And there you have it. Way to go.
Yeah.
Come on, Lauren. It was in the instruction manual. Make sure your antennas are pointed straight up like this. Otherwise, you did great.
Lauren did a really good, you should look at it. Lauren did a really good job.